Hi, first of all, I just want to say thank you so much for letting us send this video to you. Basically, we wanted to share with you some tips and tricks that we use to help rank websites within Google. And it is called search engine optimization. And there are three main components that go into it. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. I'll talk about the first component, and that has to do with your content on your front page. Actually, the content could be in any one of your pages, but this first page is really the most important and what Google will be searching or looking through when someone searches for something that you may provide. So as I scroll down within your website here, I can tell that perhaps it isn't quite completed just yet because I see some wording here that's kind of filler, and I think I saw it somewhere else as well. Yeah, right here. And so these are areas that you can definitely add content to host specific keywords for your website to begin to rank. And the keywords are crucial for you to be found within Google. And so having about 1,500 words of content on here with the necessary keywords will really help with your ranking. And so there's a combination of three things, and the other two things, let me just show you. I took your website and I put it in a tool that we use to measure how well you are ranking within Google. And so as you can see here, it looks as though your website must be fairly new, and based on the lack of content on your front page and the lack of ranking here, it seems like you have just began your website. But that's okay. Basically, what we would do is a combination of these three things right here. We would help you attain more backlinks. We would help your business become cited or listed in a bunch of different directories. That's what this is. And then we would add the necessary content all throughout your website through implementing the keywords, the organic keywords, and so that people are searching for. And so let's just take a look at what the one keyword, okay, it happens to be your name. Okay, so what I did just to show you or give you a little bit of comparison is I Googled installation service near me because it looked as though, oh, here you have some of that content that is not really content. It's just kind of filler there. But it seems as though I kept seeing in a few places that you install. Yeah, installation, mounting. Okay, so basically I went into Google and I put installation service near me. And this is, how people are going to search for those kind of services. And so what you'll see here at the top is called the maps listing. And basically, what we would do, it's called Google My Business, but what we would do is help you to get this ranked into the top 3 position. So it is optimizable, definitely optimizable to get you in the top search position. And it just, it's a little bit different than organically ranking, but it's definitely also doable. And that's how these 3 got to the top. But what I wanted to do is go down into the organic search results. And that would be, the combination of backlinks, citations, and keywords that got them to the top. Now, this is a directory, this is a directory, this is a directory, and this is a big corporation, a directory. So this guy right here is the first just organically ranking handyman, it looks like. It actually looks like a big company, but we'll check it out. And so what I did is I took them and I put them into Ahrefs as well. And just to give you a little bit of idea, okay, this is good. So basically, right here, this tells you how strong your domain is. This tells you how popular it is within Google. And this shows you, of course, your backlinks, your citations, and the amount of keywords that you're ranking for. And this is what you should be having, not necessarily this amount, but as you can see, you don't have any data for that right now. But the combination here of backlinks, citations, and keywords will really help you. But I just want to take a quick look at the type of keywords that this Mr. Handyman that came up when I searched installation service, what kind he's ranking for. Okay, you got he's the #1 position for handyman, and there is a search volume of 91,000. He's in the #1 position. Handyman near me, handyman, Mr. Handyman, handyman services near me. So these are types of keywords that you would want to implement within your content on your website so that people, when they're searching for a deck repair or whatever you may do, they can find you. Installation, wall mounting, those kind of things. And so I'm pretty sure they'll probably have, installation in here too, even though I haven't seen it yet, because that's what came up, awning installation. So they basically listed every kind of service that you can imagine that they would do. And this is the sort of thing that you can also do to help rank your website. So again, it is the combination of backlinks, referring domains or citations, and keywords. I'm not sure if I rank backlinks, but backlinks have to do with other websites that you would be connected to, whether a construction website, it could be a Limitless, a blog, anything like that. Let's just take a look. Blog, HubSpot, 54 small business ideas. So these are just different magazines, online magazines, and different websites that he has connected his website to. And so there's an infinite number of ways that you can add this combination to your site and become ranked in Google and bringing in that organic traffic and that cash every month. So I hope you like this video. If you could just please give them feedback through the email, that would be great. Thank you.